Hi, I'm John, and this morning, something weird happened. I walked into the kitchen, half asleep, reached out, and touched the metal doorknob. BRR. It felt super cold, but right next to it was a wooden cabinet handle, and when I touched that, totally fine. And I thought, wait a second, they've both been in the same room all night. Why does metal feel like a little ice cube, and wood doesn't? That's when my science brain kicked in. Time for some temperature detective work. Here's the deal. Both metal and wood were at room temperature. Same temp. No tricks. But the reason metal feels colder has to do with how it moves heat, especially the heat from your skin. Metal is a super good conductor. That means it can transfer heat really quickly. So when you touch it, it starts pulling heat away from your fingers like a sponge sucking up water. Your nerves go, hey, my hand is losing heat fast. That means cold. But wood? Wood is a poor conductor, kind of like a lazy heat mover. It barely steals any warmth from your skin, so your hand doesn't really notice a temperature drop. It's not about the object being colder. It's about how fast it steals your heat. So next time metal surprises you with that icy touch, just smirk and say, nice try, heat thief. I know your game now.